welcome to Tim's Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to use WD-40 to clean your boat after being out in salt water. Before wiping down all your metal on your boat, motors inside and out with WD-40, first thing as soon as you get home from having your boat in salt water is run cold fresh water through those motors. Hook up your ear muff, however you do it, in a barrel or whatever, but make sure you get some fresh water through those motors. And then, the next day start wiping it down too. Okay, I started cleaning down all this metal, this stainless, aluminum, whatever metal. It gets splashes of salt on it. It shows up. You can see it's all kind of dull looking. Use WD-40 to spray some on a rag. And just start cleaning this stuff off, and it works really good. Up there with the sides. A buddy of mine was using it on his crab pot puller. It worked really good. So I went, oh, okay. He says, as soon as I get done with it, get back to shore, he said, I spray it down with WD-40. Really works good. See these poles here? I don't know if you could see the spots on it, but and some of this stuff is, you're not going to get out, but it's going to keep it from getting any worse. Yeah, it turns white if you don't do it. I took a water hose and washed the outside of the boat in this area. Just rinsed it off with fresh water, and both motors. I rinsed them down too. But you need to wipe the exterior down with the WD-40, but also the inside of the motors too. Then you just start wiping them down. The spark plugs, the metal that's exposed, about a week after you get done in salt water, they'll start getting rusty looking if you don't do this. Salt, white buildup. Yeah, it doesn't happen right away. It like a week or two, or even a couple, 3 weeks, it'll start showing up. Even on your cables, on your hoses. Yeah, salt's brutal on anything that's metal. So wipe her down. Even the plastic. Wipe it down good. Get the kicker motor all pretty. Okay, now it's time to wipe the outside of the engine down. And that's it. Just keep wiping them down and wipe the boat down, all the metal, and it'll be good to go for the next for your next outing. And if you go in the fresh water, you don't have to worry about it. But if you go in the salt water, definitely wipe everything down, anything that's metal. And WD40 I found works really good. So you like the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a like if you like it, leave comments, and share with your friends and family too. Thanks.